Today was one of those simple days, but somehow it ended up being one of the most joyful days. A little sunshine, some family time, and a few beautiful moments made it so special. Let's take you along. The weather was absolutely beautiful, the kind that just lifts your mood the moment you step outside. Clear skies, cool breeze, and that quiet stillness that feels like peace. So the three of us, me, my husband, and our daughter, headed to a nearby cafe for a little morning treat. When we got back home, a surprise was waiting at our door. Our daughter's new cycle had arrived.
Wow, what's the instructions, Mama? Wow, my cycle! Check it out! It's super cool! It has 8 wheels. Wow!
Do you like it?
Yeah! Yep, my favorite!
Her excitement was unmissable. She literally could not wait to ride it. So we quickly got ready and took it outside. At first, it was little tough. She struggled to balance, was unsure. But just after 15 minutes, something clicked, and she was riding all on her own. That proud smile on her face, priceless. It reminded us that every moment starts with little one try.
Mama, I'm dancing and singing.
Later in the day, we were a little bit tired and hungry, so we went out to have our lunch. We had some grilled chicken and french fries. It felt so good to sit together, chat, and laugh over good food. Today was a reminder. You don't need big plans or perfect moments to feel joy. Sometimes the best moments come from the simplest days. So if you are feeling like life is too ordinary, just pause. After lunch, we made a quick plan to go to IKEA. We had some guests coming for dinner and we needed few essentials for our kitchen. I made some chilled mango shake for the guests as it is such a hit in the summers. For dinner, my husband made biryani for our guests. After everyone left, I finally took a moment for myself. A little self care just to wind down, reflect, and appreciate the day.